show you is a slow draining sink. You notice that fills up full of water like that, right? Just letting it fill up a little bit. The drain is open, so what it's doing is building up water. You turn it off and you notice, look at that slow drain. So this is a quick, easy, no tool approach. Cup of water, hold it up like that, and drop it right down on the drain. Pushes it right on through there. You want to do it again. Look at that. Fill up a glass of water or a cup of water. And set it off to the side. Notice how the thing is draining slow. And I notice aggravating. You're brushing your teeth. You got toothpaste floating in there, or a little oil slick of soap or whatever, and you want that thing to drain. And so, see how slow that's draining? Watch this. So that's a quick, easy, no-tool solution to a slow draining sink. So if you like that video, subscribe to GetGo TV. Hit the like button, share the video for other people that might benefit from a quick, easy hack on their slow draining sink. And watch my other videos and have a good day. Good luck with your slow draining sink.